Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up general liability coverage with the Hartford step by step clearly. To set up general liability coverage with the Hartford, begin by visiting their official website. Once on the home page, navigate to the insurance section in the main menu. Look for business insurance and click on it to reveal various insurance options. Select general liability insurance from the list provided. You will be directed to a page that explains the benefits and features of the coverage. Familiarize yourself with the details and ensure this policy meets your needs. Next, click the Get a Quote button prominently displayed on the page. This will lead you to a questionnaire to gather essential information about your business. Fill in your business name, location, and contact details as prompted. Proceed to answer questions regarding your business type and operations. Be as detailed as possible to ensure an accurate quote. Once your information is complete, review all the inputted data for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, submit your request for a quote. You will receive a preliminary quote along with additional options for coverage. If you need assistance or have questions, consider using the live chat feature or calling their customer. Once satisfied with the quote, proceed to the application process. Prepare any required documentation, such as your business license and proof of operations. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your application. Review the terms and conditions carefully before signing. After submitting, you will receive confirmation of your coverage request. It's common for an agent to reach out to finalize your policy. Once your policy is finalized and payment is processed, your general liability coverage will be active. Make sure to keep your policy documents in a safe place for future reference. You are now officially covered with general liability insurance from the Hartford. Regularly review your coverage to ensure it continues to meet your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.